Y'all, Makela Mseleko is trending. People are calling her out, saying she's a very pretentious lady. She's very hypocritical because they're saying she's so vocal when she's with Musa, but never stands on business when they're all together. She needs to stop walking away. This was prompted by the recent episodes of Uthando Nesthembu.
Umcimbi kanti bekowani obuwenza?
Umcimbi bokuthi ngiyabonga ukuthi ngisindile.
Number 5 ingena kanjani
Okay, number 5.
Ngoba wena ifaka uwenza.
Uvukile ingenaphi yokuthi akhulumele.
Number 5 initially bezongena ngokuthi uma ngabe egcineni kosuku sesiqedile ukubonga ukuthi ngiyaphila. Lokho besokwenza bese si-introduce number 5.
Bathi awusitshela ngani bekufanele usenze sibe aware ukuze sazi ukuthi sizomelana nento kanje ngoba phela mhlambe besingadecide ukuthi sicela ungabi khona if izohlanganisa number 5 since mina I for one ngicela unga-include kwinto ya number 5.
My problem is you want to bring umuntu la kwaMseleko in a very same space sekhaya kuthina.
Wemthombeni uma ngabe ke wenza umsebenzi ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe bekufanele ukuthi ukuveze ungenze kube i-surprise ngoba thina sihlala la ekhaya si full time thina la ekhaya ngoba kusho ukuthi kahle mina ikuplanile naqeda ukuthi kuzoba nomcimbi bese introduce number 5.
Of course they did. Of course they knew.
So abantu kusho ukuthi ababe izilima kule
ithini ehlelana
yeah.
People are even saying Musa and Makela deserve each other. Imagine threatening other wives as if they begged to be his wives. Ubabake went after these women, promising them whatever. Ubongeko. Makela is so pretentious. You know you don't live with these women. Therefore, anything that happens in Love Island affects them directly when you can just run off to SeaWorld. Makela only wants to play her Ndlungulu role when it benefits her. When it doesn't, she'll preach Angithi Uthe sonke skabo uNdlungulu. We see you, girl, and she's not as nonchalant as she pretends to be. And some are saying Makela should grow a pair and say those things straight to Mayeni. She mustn't go through the corners. Makela and Musa forgets that it's not only about them. There are other wives involved. They were deceived about the whole purpose of the ceremony. Now they both acting like they are victims. Awa.
Indlela abantu babekhuluma ngayo is like nalento number 5 manje engazuthi eyama kuseyona yakho.
You remember Musa has a sister, Nompumelelo, right? And she was part of the reality show for some time, but recently we have not been seeing her. Musa revealed that he is not in good terms with his sister. After his sister had gone to consult, she was told that Musa, there's something he uses traditionally to make him be the only one that succeeds.
Lo muntu wakini uyena owenza ungaphumeleli. Wayeseyayibona naye ukuthi yazi woqinisile. Wakhohlwa izona zonke lezi zinto ezinye ngimenzele zona. Wabuka lento eshiwoye inkinga. Wavele wayibona njengento ke inkinga.
I just want to say, when it comes to reality TV, Uthando Nesthembu delivers. The Real Housewife franchise, I can learn a thing or two from Uthando Nesthembu because wow, they only show us the nice parts of life. I never really want to dive into the downside of it. So otherwise, do share your thoughts in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.